Spelling magic. Converting, i.e., verbs into present continuous tense. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to focus on a special group of verbs ending in ie and learn about how they transform when used in the present continuous tense. As you're improving your English skills, knowing these rules can help you become more confident and accurate in your spoken and written English. In English, there are several verbs that end with ie. Some common examples include die, lie, tie, and untie. The present continuous tense is used to talk about actions happening right now or around now. But how do we form the present continuous tense for verbs ending in ie? This leads us to the next important section. Here comes the special spelling rule. When changing ie verbs into the present continuous tense, we replace the ie at the end of the verb with y, and then add ing. So, for instance, the verb lie becomes lying, die becomes dying, and tie becomes tying. Notice how the ie changed to y before we added ing. Now, let's practice this rule with a few examples. Correct. I am currently tying my shoelaces. Incorrect. I am currently tying my shoelaces. Correct. The leaves are dying because of the frost. Incorrect. The leaves are dying because of the frost. Correct. He is lying on the bed. Incorrect. He is lying on the bed. In each correct example, you can see we replaced ie with ying to form the present continuous tense. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing this rule with any ie ending verbs you encounter. And that's all for today's lesson on the spelling rules for ie ending verbs in the present continuous tense. Hopefully, this video makes your English journey a little bit smoother. Until next time, keep learning and growing.